Auto Fanatic CT coming at you with another video. What's going on, everybody? Hope everyone's summer was good. It's time to potentially, well, not potentially, because you see the jack there, take the super wheels off, put the original wheels on. Got the Continental DWS 06 Pluses, the Extreme Contact. As you can see, I temporarily stored them with the Toyota Supra center caps on there. Brand new. A lot of you guys always wondering what's the widest tire you could put on the 19x8s. So this is not the widest you could put on here, but if you recall, my last M340 had the blue Portimao one, and that one I had 245, I believe, 40s on there. It's the wifey leaving by X3 M40. 40s on my last one. This time around I went with the 235s because the 245s, I'll be honest with you, 245 40s, what happened was, what's up guys, look at the shadows, there it is. The 245 40s, they felt too mushy, they felt too rubbery, like around turns and stuff. I felt like the car was a little floaty. So I figured the best spec to go with tire wise is 235 45, a little bit wider than stock but not as skinny. But this is a great all-season tire. I've had multiple DWS 06s, and every year they come out they do something a little bit different. As you can see, you got the little channels here, you got the channels here, you got multiple different patterns to disperse ice, snow, rain, you name it. And you also have the famous DWS. What does that stand for? Dry, wet, snow. And the beauty of these tires are you could rock these year round. This will be a snow tire, and obviously if you get tons and tons of snow, it's not going to perform like a snow tire, but it's definitely capable. So what happens as time goes on, the first letter that will disappear is the S. As these tires wear out, the S will disappear, letting you know the tires are only good for dry and wet. Does it mean you absolutely can't drive in the snow? No, but it means the peak performance in snow is gone. And then the same, wet, and then it turns into a straight dry tire. And then once all these three are gone, you know it's time to replace. So again, I love the super wheels. There's been quite a few YouTubers, actually, new YouTubers, old ones, that I was one of the first people to put the super wheels on the LCI M340. And again, beautiful wheel. I want to explain to people, if you guys are sitting at home and never seen one in person, yes, maybe on video it looks a little off, maybe, you know what I mean? But in person, these wheels on this car is beautiful. I'm telling you right now, they fit the car perfect. They're fully forged. You got 19x9s in the front, 19x10s in the rear, and the tire size, obviously I do have an X Drive, and in case anybody's wondering, one of the most perfect specs you can have tire wise on these are these 245 40 19s. That's the front, 245 40 19. I got Super Sports all the way around, but the rear, you can go wider, 275 35 19. Now a lot of you my viewers are asking, how can you run a staggered setup on your M340 X Drive? The answer is simple. You have to do less than 1% rolling diameter to not destroy your transfer case, and this is under 1%. So this is completely safe to drive on the car. It handles incredibly. I can actually have went with a 285 35, I believe 285 maybe 30 rear, and then I could have went to the 255 40s in the front. I decided to keep it like this because these cars came with 225s. I'm at a 275 in the rear, no spacer in the rear, and as you can see, it's perfect, absolutely perfect. So plan for today is to, I know it's a little soon, but take off the Supra wheels and put the stockies back on. Now keep in mind also, as you can see, got a spacer on the front. Spacer in the front is a 12.5 spacer. You do need to run a spacer in the front with the super wheels with this tire size so you don't rub anything. I'm also going to be taking off the front lip. I'm heading into winter mode, and I know, like I said, it's a little soon, but again, my schedule is so busy. You know, I have so much stuff going on this fall and this winter. I don't know when I'm gonna get another nice day where I'm actually available, because you know your boy Auto Fanatic CT is a father, he's a husband, he's a homeowner, he's busy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the front lip off. This is a multi-piece lip, as you guys know, in performance. So you got the one lip in the center, and then you got the two on the corner. So that's coming off. And I'm also thinking about taking the side skirts off for the winter time, just because, I don't know, I feel like it might look a little weird rocking the side skirts with no front lip. What do you guys think? Put it in the comments below. And again, 2 seconds, just want to point out, if you guys haven't already subscribed, I'm not sure what you guys are waiting for. Your boy, come on, we're well over 1,000 subscribers now. Subscribe to Auto Fanatic CT. Hit that bell notification as well, so you can see the latest and greatest. Yesterday I posted a beautiful video of the new Z4 that we got in our dealership. It's beautiful spec, manual transmission, B58. Check that video out in case you guys haven't already. So no further ado, time to go back. And also, I'm sure this is going to make quite a few guys happy, because you guys have been asking, where are the stock wheels? I like the stock wheels better. Well, your wish is here. Stock wheels are going back on. And I did want to put out there, in case anybody is interested in these wheels, I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to sell them or not, but I am going to be hearing out offers. You could have the Auto Fanatic CT original super wheels. Thinking about potentially keeping them or doing something a little different come next spring. But again, not really sure. It's up to you guys. Let me know. If you want to get in touch with me, best way to do it is M340_heat on Instagram. You could private message me there. Again, that's M340_heat. I'll put my Instagram handle in the description of this video. So if anybody's local in the Long Island area, you want to meet up, catch up with me, say hello, I could be more than happy to meet you guys. And I'm hearing all offers, reasonable ones, please guys, reasonable offers. You know what these wheels are going for. There is life left on these tires, the front's more than the rear, but I would say you still have another season easily out of the rear, and probably multiple seasons up front. And again, I probably ran these for 4 months maybe. So again, on, off, on, off. All right, guys, let me get to work. Movie magic. Jacked up, baby. Here we go. Actually, while I have you guys, let's throw this out. All right, let's see. Okay, 5.97 in the first tread. Let's see. Center tread, 6. Inside tread, 4.92, almost a 5. That is the passenger front. So we'll do. Let's see if we can get this side in here. Four and a half. 4. Alright. 3.75. So obviously the passenger tire, more tread than the front. Full disclosure, that is the front tires. Alright guys, wheels on. I'm going to start taking off the spoiler. The front splitter, I should say. Nice and clean underneath, no scrapes. Thanks to the Dynon suspension with the supplemental ride and handling kit. But as you can see, just a few little bolts up there holding it on. And then I will take those off, put the bolts back on. Bada boom, bada bing, baby. We in business. Okay, 3-piece lip off. OEM look now. Again, not sure if I'm gonna take the side skirts off, but at least the front's off. So if the snow decides to come this year, Auto Fanatic CT is not doing free plow jobs. No diddy. All right, guys, here's the finished product. Back to stock-ish almost. Got the stock wheels back on, but got the upgraded tires on there. 235 40 R19s. A little bit bigger than the 225 40 R19s. Went with the Continental, non-run flat, nice and comfortable. As you can see, car sitting beautiful with the Dynon suspension on it. Side skirts are gone. Front lip is gone. But I do have 12.5 inch spacers all the way around from ECS Tuning. What do you guys think? Do you like it stock-ish like this with the stock wheels? Or do you like the super wheels, the forged ones? Perfect. Absolutely perfect. I did leave the M3 spoiler. That ain't going anywhere. Actually, I gotta be honest with you, it feels nice to kind of go back to OEM Plus a little bit. I just took it for a drive, nice and smooth, squared setup instead of the staggered. I do love the super wheels a lot. I will tell you, significantly lighter than these. Those are forged. Again, these are 19 by 8 all the way around, 235 by 40 all the way around now. Those are 245 40, 275 35 in the rear. But I like the simplicity going into the winter time. Fall, I should say. It's not even really anywhere near winter yet. But sorry for the jungle noises behind me. But no, for real, let me know what you guys think. Feels good to kind of go back, like I said, to original, no front lip. I don't want to be shoveling snow. Obviously, I didn't change anything on the inside. We still got that beautiful G20 M3 interior. Not many people around here have done it. You know that already. Front and back. You know what's funny? One thing I did realize. When you do the rear, you don't have cup holders anymore. You do have a pass-through. Cup holders are gone. Not that I really have many people sitting in the back, but cup holders are eliminated on the G80. I like it, guys. I appreciate each and every one of you on the road to 1100 subscribers. Drive It Gray 2024 M340. Dynon lowering suspension, supplemental ride and handling kit, G80 M3 interior, G80 M3 spoiler on the rear hatch, OEM 19-inch wheels, upgraded wider tires, IND paint match reflectors, individual paint, shadow line, you name it. Let me know if you guys think this is one of the most beautiful M340s on YouTube right now, guys. Again, I appreciate each and every one of you. Stay tuned for the next episode. We are out.